Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 390 Adventure once again. I want to give you guys a heads up. A review of these Tusk pannier boxes. The large ones with the Tusk pannier racks. I love this setup. When I first put it on the bike, I thought this is going to make the bike so unstable. The exact opposite of what you think. When you're cruising out on the freeway, the wind kind of pushes up against the face of the boxes and stabilizes the bike, which is really surprising to me. The other thing I noticed too is that it's pretty well balanced. As long as you have something in each one of the boxes, when you're going on turns and something like that, it really makes it nice and smooth going around corners. So I really like that aspect of it. We won't do an unboxing per se today, but what we're gonna do is just flip the lid open on a box. How's that? So, this is the top rack that goes along with the pannier racks. So the top rack replaces these handles, I believe. I wish I could keep these handles and the top rack, but I don't think it's possible. I'm gonna try. Like I said, I don't think it's possible. So, we're gonna go through the instructions here and then get this installed. This is probably going to be a short video, pretty simple, and then in a later video I'll give you a review of what I think of it. So here we go. Super simple install. 8 bolts total with a couple of nuts on the back on these ones. These make up for the handles that you removed, so you still basically have some handles on there to hold on to. But it really completes the look of the rear end of the bike. I really like it. It's sharp looking. I will leave a link in the description for that rack. They're not very expensive. Well, none of this stuff was really expensive, so to me anyways it wasn't. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. You guys are going to want to stay tuned. I have a bunch of upcoming parts for these KTMs, these new KTMs that I got. I think the swart pylon is probably pretty much done. I think you guys are going to like some of the modifications that I make to both the RC390 and the 390 Adventure. So stick around if you're interested in that and products reviews and part reviews for both of these bikes. But aside from that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. We still got that blue boxes on the shelf there for Abel, so that's coming up too. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.